Magandang araw mga kabayan. Ito po muli si Engineer Alejandro, isang OFW, ang inyong stock tambay. Muli handang magbahagi ng kwentong kalakal at kuro-kuro mula sa Philippine Stock Exchange. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa aking channel, huwag kalimutan mag-like, subscribe, share, at pindutin ang notification bell para updated ka sa bagong videos na aking i-upload. And we're here again for the OFW Average Trader PSE Weekly Performance Review. We're happy to be here again to share the latest happening in the Philippine Stock Exchange. But before diving in, I would like to send our heartfelt gratitude to the regular viewers of this channel. We thank you for continuously supporting us. In return, I will work very hard to give and share with you the most significant information and signals in interpreting the market using the chart through our technical analysis. So let's get started with the PSE index. We had another shortened week because of the celebration of Philippine Independence Day. As the market split, the buyers and the sellers into two equal parts. As the week started with the green hammer that opens at 6,386 and closes at 6,406 on Monday. Then followed by a huge red engulfing candle that shows how selling prevailed with opening marker at 6,403 and closed lower at 6,347 on Tuesday. Come Wednesday, the market made a small rebound that ended up forming a small green hammer with an opening mark at 6,359 and closes at 6,381 right before the holiday. And finally, moved with a gap up of 6,405 but closes at 6,395 that gives us a red inverted hammer weekender. Our overall assessment of the market this week shows a clear continuation of sideways movement with a possible breakout from flag formation which can be confirmed only by market opening next week. While MACD is still on the negative side formation and moving averages still have unclear signals. So now let us proceed to our individual stocks, where the first on the line is Ayala Corporation. Ayala Corporation, in the absence of any significant news and still continuous report of stock ownership of the top management and board of directors, we will be focusing again on the chart alone. The chart continues to show sideways movement and slowly forming a positive indication in the form of ascending triangle and a higher low formation. Continuing to move, sustain, and establish new support zone will indicate a slowly build up of investors' confidence sooner rather than later. And let us go to the next stock, which is Ayala Land. Ayala Land, with the consistent execution of its share buyback plan, appears on the chart as it forms a higher low as it gains its position slowly, pushing upward slightly above the previous resistance, where the level is at 24.25. while technical indicators is slowly making a proper alignment. And MACD is showing above zero and projecting upward. Next is BDO. With the change of share ownership as the next shareholders meeting approach, the chart continues to show decline last week but made a gap up on the last day of the week due to cash dividend ex-date this coming 17 June, while MACD is start projecting upward. So the sentiment tend to become positive on the coming days. Converge chart moved on a retracement after moving to its 52-week high due to slight profit taking. Though selling pressure take place this week, it is currently right above the current support zone. Should it stay above the support level, we might see a short consolidation before it continues to move back to its upward push. Next is Jollibee. Since no significant report for Jollibee as of this week except the upcoming annual stockholders meeting next month, the chart shows consolidation after last week's pause at the current level of support. We expect Jollibee to move sideways until new development came up that will help investor sentiment become positive. Moving to our next stock, which is Metrobank. Metrobank continued to establish its new support area after undergoing a correction phase last week. MACD is still currently below zero level and appears to be bearish. Moving forward to JGS. JG Summit Holdings continue to move on retracement mode and currently trying to hold its position slightly above the previous support area. Failure to hold its ground might result in continuous decline and probably return to the level of the next support, where it bounced strongly before moving up to its second breakout wave. Recommendation is to refrain from entering while the MACD is currently projecting downward. Next is SMPH. While SMPH appears to be on consolidation mode, a share buyback of 232,000 shares indicates that the company is probably convinced that support level has been already established and confirms that the higher low movement is legitimate. Supported move as shift of trend seem to be fast approaching. However, the MACD is still below zero level, so let us just have to wait until the MACD project upward. While moving averages appears to be bearish, then we just have to wait until the support level is already established. And moving forward to our focused stock, which is Megaworld. Aside from the apparent consolidation move of Megaworld, focusing on what is happening in Megaworld as the company announced a 2.5 billion revitalization project of its first township project to cope up with the current intelligent features offered by the latest technology and especially the sustainability for operation cost improvements. I could imagine what kind of push it is going to showcase as the chart appears to have already completed its sideways movement and appears to be establishing its new support area as well. Plus the higher low formation movement that we are seeing right now. While MACD is already positioned above zero and volume of buyers are slowly accumulating for the past 2 to 3 weeks. And that is all we have for this week. In case there is a stock you want us to discuss or review next week, you may send a message or comment in this channel with a domain name OFW Average Trader. You may also choose to reach out by sending me an email at engineeralejandromagno@gmail.com, or you can also send a message in my Twitter account or send a direct message in my Facebook page named Engineer Alejandro Magno. Take the opportunity while it is offered free. There is no secret to success, we just have to keep going and work harder. We will only lose a battle the moment we stop trying and believing. Before we finally end this video, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share this channel to your friends, family, colleague, and fellow OFWs currently looking for a passive income. This might help to share the gift and opportunity to be financially literate. It might also help them secure their future and save their hard-earned money from price inflation. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Thank you for keep supporting this channel. Have a nice day and see you all on my next video. Ciao!